Hi there. Thank you for taking the time to review our second half of 2024 highlights. My name is Keita D'Souza, and I'm a Prime Lead Consultant certified in Employee Central, Performance and Goals, Succession and Development, and Learning Management. I'm located in Dallas, USA, and I work for Veritas Prime, a global SAP SuccessFactors partner. We are one of the world's leading HR transformative consultancies, specializing in implementing and supporting success factors with clients across the globe. As part of our release coverage, I will be reviewing some key release updates for performance and goals. For complete release analysis, you can connect with us on our website at veritasprime.com via the Contact Us link, or for current clients, reach out to your project manager or client support manager. Let's begin by looking at our first highlight from the performance and goals module. The first one is on the deprecation of legacy goal management. The legacy version of goal management has already reached the end of maintenance on May 17th of 2024, and it will be deleted on December 31st, 2025. The latest goal management will be universally pushed out in the early 2025 with no option to revert to the legacy version. So if you are a client who has legacy development goals enabled, but you haven't migrated from job description manager to job profile builder or the talent intelligence hub, you will be excluded from this upgrade cycle. Though it is mandatory to complete the migration no later than the second half of 2025. Our recommendation for you is to upgrade and switch over to the latest goal management before end of 2024. And you can find more information on all supported and unsupported features by clicking on this link here, which will take you to help.sap.com. There have been a couple of enhancements to the latest goal management. I have highlighted the key ones below, and they really enhance user experience and usability. So the first one is on the weights for team goals. Weights are now displayed for team goals on the goal cards, as you can see in the screenshot below here. Previously, this was not available on team goals, and this provides a more streamlined experience for users in the latest goal management. Secondly, while taking a PDF output for the goals, users can choose to include or not include the comments in the print by checking this box here on comments, as you can see. And for the milestones fields, users now do not have to click the Manage Milestones button to see all the milestones data. So all the data is available without clicking the Manage Milestones button. There's no upper limit to the number of goals that can be displayed in the personal and team goal list views. Earlier, up to 200 goals could be displayed. The next highlight is the ability to link and unalign goals. And users can now link their performance goals with another users. So let's have a look at the demo from SuccessFactors. So goals can be aligned in two ways. So in their own goal plan, employees can now choose the link goal option on the goal card and link it to another goal, as you can see in this demo. It will also be there in the goal alignment chart. You can also unalign a goal, as you can see, and that will also be reflected in the goal alignment chart. Now, with appropriate manager permissions, managers can go to another user's goal plan, and they can choose the link with mine option, as you saw. And this completes the linking steps. This feature was taken from a customer idea. The benefit for organization and team is that they can create goals that enable a lot of collaboration between internal teams, and they also allow goals to be interconnected. The next feature is the delegation feature, which is available for performance review. And it's one of the most awaited feature, which many clients have asked us in the past during implementation. So with the delegation features, managers are now able to delegate their performance review tasks to other people within a specified period of time. So what managers can do is they can create a delegation request for themselves. They can view and manage the delegations that they created, and those created by administrators on their behalf. They can accept or decline the delegation request they've received, and they can also see all the delegated tasks that they have accepted. So when delegates are reviewing delegated forms, some form features such as team ranker, form history, and the last ratings are not available to them. All the details are mentioned in this link where you can see the delegation for performance reviews details. One thing to note is this feature will be available in the preview environment as of October 21st, 2024, but SuccessFactors will make it available in the production stack on December 13th, 2024. This feature is very helpful, especially for managers who are on a long leave of absence, to be able to delegate their responsibilities. And it's also helpful for managers who have a large span of control, to be able to delegate responsibilities. So this will really ensure that the performance process review is not really interrupted, and it's more efficient. With this, managers are also empowered to be in control of their delegation responsibilities instead of really using a proxy feature that was available previously. The next highlight is from the calibration module. The calibration templates now allows you to set numerical distribution guidelines for each of the ratings from the performance management forms. The screenshot here shows you that you can set distribution guidelines for each of the ratings, both with the percentage distribution and the numerical distribution. But the numerical, if you set both of them, the numerical guideline will take priority if both are set. And this is really useful for organizations who would like to streamline their calibration process and also set defined distribution guidelines for each of the ratings. Moving on, our next highlight is all the releases from the continuous performance management module. So administrators can now enable creation of matrix report channel. Now this option is unchecked by default, so the administrators would have to enable it, and by enabling it, each pair of matrix manager and matrix report will have a one-on-one channel automatically created. Now, these categories will exist only when this option is enabled and if a user has any matrix relationship. So as you can see on the screenshot on the right side here, this user has two channels that are created. One is that of a direct manager and a direct report. And the second one is that of a matrix manager and a matrix report. This reduces a lot of manual work for the users, where they do not really need to create any additional channels, especially for their matrix relationships. And having all reporting channels at one place, it makes it easier for employees to locate and manage their activities. Users are also able to send bulk channel invitations now. So they can use the advanced search in addition to the basic search to find and select multiple employees as their invitation recipients. There's no limit on the total number of selections. Previously, only certain basic search criteria were available, and users could not select more than one employee at a time. With this, a new email notification called as delivery status of multiple roles one-on-one meeting invitations can be enabled to update the delivery status of each invitation. This notification is enabled by default and it cannot be disabled in the email notification template settings. But the email content can be modified further to suit your organizational needs. This is a great feature, especially for users who like to send out bulk invitation, and it just reduces the repetitive manual effort for the user. And the last one that we have for today is the AI assisted writing in 360 form. There are certain configuration requirements to enable these action items in the 360 form. So this enhancement is applicable provided your organization has purchased the AI units license. And for further information, you may reach out to your SAP account executive. There are two key action items which are accessible from the context menu in 360 forms. The first is improve my feedback, whereas this action will assist users to provide meaningful comments on a specific skill or competency and its rating. Now, this rating is available only when a text is selected and the users need some assistance in providing comments or meaningful feedback. The second one is generate comments, where this action suggests 6 topics, which is dynamically based on the rating assigned to the current competency or skill. So users can choose one topic and let the tool generate detailed comments relevant to that particular competency or skill and its rating. Now, this is provided the users uh, don't have to really input any initial text. So it really simplifies the process of providing a meaningful feedback on an employee's performance. With this, we come to an end to our performance and goals key release highlights for the second half of 2024. Thank you again for listening to us. And as always, feel free to connect with us on our website at veritasprime.com through the contact us link. And for current clients, please reach out to your project manager or your client support manager. Have a great day ahead. Bye for now.